Good afternoon. Wow, look at him. Will you marry me? Yeah, that's for Leah. That's from Leah. Guys, mag-date na kaming apat. Ito yung afam namin. Di ba? Ito yung afam namin dalawa. Mag-date kaming apat. How? Magkaintindihan din si Liam at si Lian. Liam. Liam. Nice itong video na. Snap ko ay. Yeah. Snapot yung duha. Liam man Lian. Ano yung inahan dyan wajan? Snapot yung duha.
Come on.
Let's go na.
Go on, get out. Get out. Get out.
Yan guys, kumbating duha. Tulasad. Hindi ko na siya kanta. Hirap siya po. Belum na siya na yung kanta.
Ikaw po na yung una.
Ini. Di ka na. Ayaw na.
Tara yung una.
Tala. Tala, let's go na. Anak pa.
Sana all. I don't know. How you
She's like, how did you get it here? Where?
Ay, tingin mo na dito.
Apa? Lian. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dapat dito din. Dapat Happy birthday to you. Picture mo, picture. Picture. Dance. Lian, look at her, Lian. Lian, look at her. Bravo, Kai. Liam, si Liam po daw. Liam!
Alian, ano kanta? Happy birthday ni Mami Faye.
Kanta, Mami Faye.
For you now. Only for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's time to begin. Now count it in. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
more sayaw daw. Ijisa. Oh, ka-request yung followers. Oh, Jisa. Ay, lang. Sino good boy? Ikaw birthday girl. Kami kayo. Ah, birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sayaw niya.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Budot. Budot saya budot. Thank you, Day. Mayang sayaw, Roy.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Hoy, salamat ah. Yeah, Jisa. Thank you, Day. Happy birthday, Manang. Ate Faith. I love you. Stay pretty, sexy.
Happy na birthday tayo. Kaya mo, getting there na. Makakatagal yung birthday na yun. Wala na kang party off na. Tomorrow. Pero may party off na.
Imong birthday na, famous.
Pero may klase. Oo,
Mas klase. Ah, pretty.
Ayun na lang.
Sana sila.
Anak-anak ko sa iba. Getting a dessert.
This one.
Kuha ng budget. Liya, malingaw.
Araw niya?
Birthday.
Ano ba?
Halo-halo ice.
Kailangan mo naman.
Halo-halo ice ah.
Not.
Liya.
Tastes like water. Where's Hello Hello the made?
Liam. Liam, malingaw. No, di ko ka.
Also looks.
Look at this mamiling sa fiancé. He's very supportive. Did you tell him our video? Yeah. Ani, she posted already the video. Yeah.
That's what people did, something that's different, it's kind of like,
Just for fun. Just for fun. You know what they said? Oh, is that Joseph? New boyfriend?
they don't recognize me from,
No. Some maybe.
oh, that's right, because they're looking at my butt, not seeing my face. Sure. Yeah.
Wow,
You did it earlier, Leah. It's like, Leah, it's nice that you combed your hair.
Did you take a shower?
No.
You look wild.
Yeah, you will come back here.
Single.
Who?
Derek?
Yo.
Derek?
Uh-huh.
My Derek.
Huh?
How'd you find that out? Come on in.
Don't shy. Don't be shy. Ayaw pangulos na, Jisa. Ay.
Don't be a stranger.
I see you.
I seen your down there, right?
In the lobby. Yeah, in the lobby. And you're talking to Christian.
Oh.
Yeah.
903.
Yeah, you're saying same.
No, it's nice to live in the better.
Yeah. In his
Better
talk.
than what?
They would come back thinking they were up there. They were going to meet you at the deck. But then it was.
Well, Will messaged me and said, calling off tonight, and I went, okay. I didn't think to.
Strong
No,
kayo?
he did. He texted me. I tried to check the message. He said, the deck's not going anywhere. It's going to be there tomorrow.
Well, I looked outside, tasty drink, and I just sipped it. And,
Where's the mid? The mojito.
tequila mix, and I make up my own drink, and I enjoy it.
Will you marry me? Yeah. Yeah? I do. Love you. Let's go. No, don't have to mama me. You want to marry me?
Yes.
Wow. I love you, Lian. You're so cute. Wow. Oh, I love you so much, Mono. Oh, so sweet. Yeah, we're going to Mommy Faith, yeah? Give it to Mommy Faith. It's Mommy Faith's birthday. Give it to Mommy Faith because Mommy Faith's birthday. Okay? Yes? Mommy Faith na. Ano naman ko? English naman ko. Yan. Flower, then cake. Na, hi guys.
My big cake, my church, mommy big cake.
What?
Church, my big cake.
Yeah.
T-shirt to me.
Yes? Don't eat your fingers.
Stop sticking my fingers.
No.
Stop taking my finger.
Just stay there. Halika.
I marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
Oh, why?
I marry you.
Because you love me?
Don't break, don't touch it.
Why?
It's red
Okay. That's for your cheeks or for me?
for you.
Oh, for me. Oh, you're so sweet. Not for your cheeks, huh? I love you, Lian. I love you, Lian.
Ayaw lap din. Ayaw ano. Ayaw man anak po.
32A. Lian. Come here, Lian. Come here. Oh, wow. Look at here.
With the police.
Ha?
With the police.
Matay mong sing-sing. Mag-will you marry rin ka ni Mami Faith, ha? Where's your ring? This one. Tara nga. Oh. Na, hi. Wow. Lian will marry me. Oh, come here. Go. 32A. Hello. Shoes ni mo, shoes.
Shoes.
Up.
Shoes.
Agoy ang shoes. Good afternoon. Shoes. Na, nagkatarong ano, will you marry na ba ni Ron? Tarong. Good afternoon. Wow, look at him. Will you marry me? Yeah, that's for Lian. That's from Lian. And where's the ring?
Say
Look at nang. Luhod na po, balik. Na.
Oh my God.
Oh. Na happy birthday, Mommy Faith. I love you.
Oh, so
Oh,
sweet.
so
My
sweet.
baby po. That's so sweet.
And this is from Mokong also. Yeah.
So beautiful, Leon. You're such a sweet boy. Thank you so much.
And this is from Mokong.
Why Spider-Man? Oh, that's cool.
Nang.
This is my birthday.
Lian is so sweet.
So lang.
This from Mokong also.
And I have another one. I have another one from my another nephew.
Mokong. Ako rin namili na.
Oh, it's so
Then the cake from Humawan family. Cute yung cake nang oh.
Oo.
And cake.
Oh, here.
Cake from Humawan family. Gamay. Ano ba na late na nang eh.
Have you cake?
Huh? Ayun. Lalo yun siya. Can I have your cake? Ano siya yun no?
Oh, eat this together.
Can we have some?
Can I have some?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Maayo kayo English no?
Oh, sure.
Maayo kayo English no? Can I have some? Maglaguba ko na ba?
Oh, hold on. I'll get ano ha.
Look at focus here.
I'll get sister.
Look at both. Here.
Yeah? Maayo kayo English na?
I'm waiting.
You're waiting? You're excited to eat? Oh, you're so sweet, Lian. Oh, behave, Lian. Asa man tong candy para ni Tito Kyle?
Ano kayo ito kasi kung nakunin mo.
Ang new bag
Oh,
ba?
kasi kapan gina imong nawong hagad kay akong nawong.
It's okay. It's a
Gid.
birthday.
Hatag ni.
Ito yes.
Nga daw siya candy hatag nimo. Ihabit yun ang kuan para imo daw. Ah, so sweet. Amo tong isa nimo candy.
Dang, I love you, okay. So, wow, look at that.
Na late na gani na. Oh, ay. Napa oh, patutuyin sa mani oh. Hatag ni dito. Nakago.
Ito yes. I have cake.
So sweet.
Lions love candy actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, is it your birthday, Lian? Or Mommy Faith?
Birthday Mommy Pig.
Ah, birthday ni Mommy Faith.
Birthday Mommy Pig.
Wow, I love this.
Birthday Mommy Pig.
Sa car lagi gusto siya siya mahawid na, hindi ko niya pahuwiron.
Hey, I love it. What's that?
Wow, so sweet.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, thank you guys. Thank you, Ling. Mommy Ling, thank you so much.
thank-
You're such a sweet sister.
Lian.
Thank you for my family. And for
Moko.
Moko. Thank you, this Moko. You're so sweet, Moko. I love you. Look at that. And look at my beautiful flowers.
Lian, from
Oh,
Lian.
I'm so haggard, but my flowers are beautiful.
And from Lalaw.
And this from my... Ouch! Thank you, son. My birthday's not over yet.
You want one?